Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to send voice message in WhatsApp. To do this, first open WhatsApp. Navigate to the contact that you want to send the voice message to, and the interface will look something like this. So on WhatsApp, you'll have to first record your voice message. Click on this mic icon at the bottom right, that is this icon. And once you click this icon, it will open up this pop-up where you will be able to record your voice message. So as I'm speaking, the voice is being recorded in this voice note. Now, you can keep recording it, you can pause it or resume it. You can also discard this if you don't want to send this. Simply click this icon for deleting this. Now, you can also choose this to be a one-time message or one-time voice note that cannot be viewed again. Now, after you finish recording a voice message, click this send icon and your voice message will be instantly sent on WhatsApp to that specific message. So that's how you send voice message in WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.